Hey guys, what's up? This is Adi. So I'm gonna show you today that how to activate your any iPhone 4, 4S with the help of RSIM 7, 8, 9, 5S, 5C with the help of RSIM 9 Pro only. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate your iPhone 5. I'm gonna use iPhone 5, but instead of it, you can also use iPhone 4S, 5C, 5S, whatever you have. Okay, so quickly making it. Actually, this iPhone has been previously activated. um, just show you this is 7.0.3 here. I'm sorry for the video focus, my camera's video focus is not working, but still it's recording the video in HD. So it's actually on 7.0.3. So I'm gonna quickly reset it so as to reach to the activation screen. Reset and erase all content settings. My passcode E, erase iPhone, erase, everything's erased. Just put my password please. So I have inserted my password. Now it's restoring the iPhone to the factory settings. All the data would be lost. So by this method you can activate your iPhone 5 and iPhone 4S with the help of RSIM 7, RSIM 8, RSIM 9 and 9, and it can be any version of the RSIM 7 like 7 Plus or 7, 8 Pro, and because these RSIM developers have been making a product again and again, but just a different name, with a little minor bug fixes. So it's gonna restore very quickly. Here's my RSIM. You can see the RSIM 7. I'm sorry for the video focus, please. It's not working. The RSIM 7 is like this. RSIM 8, I guess, is of a blue chip, and RSIM 9 Pro is, I guess, a red chip. So this is RSIM 7. The SIM tray I'm gonna use iPhone 5 SIM tray. I'm gonna insert it. Put it inside it. Okay. Let it settle inside it. Then you're gonna take your SIM. Now, before that, you see my iPhone has been restored. I don't think so that you are able to see, but it's currently showing here searching. So wait till the time the searching finishes, and you can go forward. You can set up your language, but wait when the screen comes. Yes, now see if you can see that. Yeah, little bit, I guess. There's a message, no SIM card installed. So now you have to insert a SIM card now. Okay, and remember to insert a SIM card without a pin code. If you have a pin code on your SIM card, please do it with some other SIM card. So this is my SIM. Below it the RSIM. So I'm gonna insert my SIM right here. As you see now, this is the SIM. Okay, I'm gonna insert it. So as soon as you insert it, within, I guess, 3 or 4 seconds, a menu will pop up. Yeah, this one. So now in this you have a lot of networks. The networks you are able to see are the networks which are repeatedly used, mostly used. And if your carrier is not listed in this, there would be a link in the description from where you can get the IMSI number of your logged iPhone. So you can click here, other carriers, and then enter the IMSI number. It would work the same. In my case, I would select Japan AU. It's my iPhone to which it's logged. So for RSIM 7 only 4S and 5 works till now. In my case, I would be choosing iPhone 5 and then the accept. It's all done. If you could see, it's written here. I don't think so. Yeah, at the top left side, no SIM. It's good. Okay, So now just restart your phone. So I powered off my device. Let it power down. So it's now powered down, so I'm gonna turn it on now. So now the process for unlocking has been done. What you have to just do now is just have patience. It will take up to a minute, I guess, if the RSIM is working properly in proper condition. So it will not take more than a minute. Okay. So I don't think so you would be able to see whatever it's coming on the left side on the status bar, like here. You see it's saying searching right now. Okay, left side on the signal bar. What you got to do is go forward, select your language whichever you want, English in my case, and in whichever country do you live. So now the thing that now you are using RSIM, but when your SIM would be unlocked, it won't show that your SIM would be having any reception or not, because till the time you activate and go through your activation process, the signals won't come. Sorry for that. So right now it's saying searching, so let it be there. As soon as it says no service, it means that your SIM has been unlocked and you can now go through the activation process. Don't select your country till the time it says no service. Okay, so and if it says no SIM, or I guess invalid SIM, or it's not anything else other than no service, like see now it's saying no service. Okay, anything else than no service, it means that you have not done the process correctly, or your RSIM has been not put in properly. Anything could be problem. So in my case I'm going to select India. Okay, so still is saying no service, if you could see. Yeah, no service. Okay, so now I'm gonna select English keyboard. Yes, next. Now next English, I've selected English keyboards. Next is asking me to connect to a Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna connect my Wi-Fi. Just a sec. So now as I have inserted my password for my Wi-Fi, I'm gonna click on join. So now it's like you see, it's trying to connect. Now the signal bar shows full, because now my iPhone has been passed through the activation, but still it's showing there. Yeah, see, now it's my signal bars are also there, my Airtel carrier name is also there. I have gone through the activation process. So I have now I've got to do enable location, set up as a new iPhone, skip this step. Yes, skip. So I get a lot of emails, a lot of comments about how to bypass the activation screen when there's an Apple ID it's asking for. Actually those iPhone have been erased, or on those iPhones Find My iPhone application has been activated. Still now no solution has been found for that. You see, I've activated my iPhone, it's Airtel, you see full signal. I'm gonna try and make a call like 121. It's my customer service number. You see.
Namaste. A very warm welcome to Airtel 121 Gold Care.
So see, it's working.
The best network for your smart Diwali Dhamal channel. For information on due amount and not your current due amount is.
You see, so it's working. I've activated my phone. It's working fine, I guess. Now I'm able to make calls and everything. So if you have any problem, please comment. If you like this video, hit on the like button, So, and if you want to see much more videos from my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Bye.